Alright guys, I saw the ASICS clearance store, so I'm not sure if you guys want to see. I'm going to just go in there and see what they have. It looks like they have 30% off apparel and a buy one get one type promo. Alright, let's see. So these gel quantums on sale. The promo is buy one and then get one, another one 80% off. The new styles that they have in stock. It's $170. It actually looks cool. That's right. Gel Camino 26. Okay. These are their shoes here. And the same promo is running at their hash wall. So it comes in different sizes. So this is the men's side. And then we're getting into like the kids and grade school. Yes. So we're still here at the men's. They have the gel game, gel challenger, and the gel rocket. And they have the buy one get one 80% off promo. So we have these snap downs. They look like racing shoes because of how small it is. I'm not sure if it's a really racing shoe. Snap down black silver, 75 bucks. You have your Japan S, Vicus, and Citrek, coffee foams. Quantum 180 turbo, or not turbo. So they have the gel quantums for the women's side. Quantum 360s. It's on sale for $150. Quantum 360s in different colorways, guys. And Camino in the women design. And we're just going to do a quick look at the women hash wall. Again, the promo also applies here. So you get one, buy one get one and 80% off, whichever is the lesser value. So. And for some of the women's side, they have the Quantum 180s. And these two different colorways that they have, part of their promos as well. You can see they got one. Okay. Have these alpha foams here, scram, and let's go down the aisle for you guys. Here's the Venture, Alright guys, that was the ASIC clearance store. There wasn't much. I'm not too familiar with the ASIC brand, so I'm gotta apologize for that. But at least you guys saw a glimpse of what it is. Alright guys, if you guys like this video and haven't subscribed, please subscribe, comment, like, and share down below. Until the next video, you guys.